Hello. Thank you for taking a moment to watch this video. And on this training, we're going to start talking about workflow rules. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty of all of the different workflow rules that you can create and you may want to create and use with your phone burner integration, let's first talk about workflow rules, what they are, how they work, and just give you a basic understanding of them. Now, of course, the workflow rules feature is actually a Zoho feature. So anything outside of this particular training module, if I don't have training specific to it, my team cannot train you on how to do that. In fact, anything outside of the video specifically, you should be going to Zoho. These videos are designed to help shorten your learning curve, to help you better take advantage of how workflow rules and phone burner can work together. But this is not designed to be a comprehensive training of everything you ever need to know about workflow rules. That you should be getting from Zoho. Now, what are workflow rules? Essentially, a workflow rule is some automation that you can build within your Zoho environment to automatically update records based off of some other change. So for example, if I call somebody today and I leave them a voicemail, I may want to call them again in a couple days. If I call somebody today and I mark them as interested, I might want to set their contact status to something specific. So what I've done inside my Zoho environment is I created a custom section called Phone Burner Call Details, just so that we could kind of divide this stuff up for the sake of this training. And within the details section, I created a few custom fields specifically so that I could start tracking specific data points related to the calls that are made using Phone Burner. And these are 5 fields that we're going to kind of work through and talk about how you could use workflow rules to automatically have these fields updated. So keep in mind, as you're using Phone Burner, you're going to be burning through your calls at a rate of 60 to 80 dials an hour. So being able to update or log the last time you called them on a custom field within the contact record is going to slow you down. So we want to automate that. So that's a little bit about workflow rules. Obviously, we'll get into the nitty-gritty as we go through each of the individual trainings, but where do you go find workflow rules? You're going to find that information in your settings. So you're going to click on the settings gear. That'll take you to the Zoho setup section. And in here under automation, we're going to go to workflow rules. And this is where you go to start creating workflow rules. And that's it for this specific video. But don't forget, there are several other videos that are going to walk you through how you can create your very own workflow rules and start automating all of the important pieces that you need to make sure are updated within your account. Thanks again, and happy dialing.